Welcome to our short video on how you can increase your sales with more customers while spending less time developing apps with AMB Drop and Drag App Builder Toolkit. We'll show you how you are able to build a mobile app without any coding required in just 45 minutes. As we all know, by 2025, 71% of the world population will be mobile phone users. Currently, there are about 3.8 billion mobile users. In fact, studies show that the average person checks their phone every 12 minutes. 10% of people check their phones once every 4 minutes. We use our phones at work, at home, on the street, while we're eating, in bed, and even in our cars. You may even be watching this on a mobile device right now. What is everyone doing on their phones, you may ask? Well, 88% of mobile time is spent on apps. In 2018, global mobile app revenues amounted to over $365 billion. In 2023, mobile apps are projected to generate more than $935 billion in revenues via paid downloads and in-app advertising. While many companies are trying to take advantage of this trend, many do not know how to create an app successfully. Hence, this is an opportunity to provide this service to your clients. However, two of the biggest challenges in app development is first and foremost the time involved in building an app, as it has to comply with all requirements in different platforms, namely Android and iOS. Both these platforms require different software and programming languages. Secondly, is the constant, so-called, policy and script changes imposed by popular stores, like Apple App Store and Google Play Store, to ensure user experience and security stay up to date. This makes app development a continuous process, and it should be able to keep up with all the latest changes to remain available for downloads. Our AMB Drop and Drag App Builder Toolkit will take care of all the heavy lifting for you and make app development and maintenance fast, easy, and more efficient. AMB Toolkit comes with an easy drop and drag app builder platform that allows you to focus on creating the app's contents, looks, and feels rather than spend time developing and learn new programming knowledge. AMB has 112 user interfaces, also known as UI, layouts, 67 ready-to-use templates, 130 user experience UX framework that is ready for you to choose and select the one suited for your client's products and services. With our unique AMB Drop and Drag Toolkit, you will be able to secure more customers or clients, as your turnaround will be faster. Let's show you how this can be done. Let us build one example to demonstrate how easy it is to build an app using AMB Drop and Drag App Builder. We have 242 UI and UX frameworks to make your non-coding app development easy and fast. Why don't we show you how you can build an e-commerce app? Here you can create an app to sell your products. First, let's give the app a name. Next, we select the best template that suits our theme. We have 67 different templates, but let's choose the ready-made e-commerce template, easy as a wheezy. Why don't we change the layout, as we want to make our app different from the regular? We have 112 different layout designs to choose from. Let's select this. Next. Let's now see the feature pages that we have to place content in for this app. As we have chosen the ready-made template, we can see all the feature pages is created and ready for us to add our content. What are these pages? First, it's a custom page. Let's rename this to Info, and we fill the page with company info and contact details. Next is the Commerce Pro page. This is our shop in the app. Let's rename this as Our Shop. Next, we add the shop detail, categories, products, payment methods, delivery options, as well as upload our product items. We also have the option to make our app available for other vendors to also upload their products. That is the Marketplace feature page, already here. This will enable our app to be similar to Lazada, Shopee, and Foodpanda. For now, we don't use this feature, as we want the app to be exclusive for our products. Therefore, we can delete this feature page. We have the option to add and delete pages as we need. We have 130 to choose from for our app's development process. Of course, we would want to communicate with our potential buyers, so let's use this social network feature, as it has a messaging system that will allow us to chat directly with our customers and app users. Awesome! Now that we have uploaded all the information required for our main feature pages for our e-commerce app, let's add the content for the important support feature pages. The Review Pro page, Share App page, Push Notifications page, and the important Privacy Policy page has already been created when we selected the template. The Review Pro page's function is to allow our users to review our app and help with our ranking in the Play stores. The Share App page allows our users to share our app with their friends via social media, WhatsApp, and email. Next is the must-have Push Notifications page, with which we can send important notifications to all our app users. The Privacy Policy page is the standard GERP international requirements for all apps that collect users' information. Last, but not the least, let us add the App Manager feature, which allows us to view app statistics of our user behavior, and it also has many other functions like scheduling push notifications. Yes, our app structure is nearly ready. Let us now upload the images to complete the app. First, we upload the app homepage image. Next, we upload the app icon, push notification icons, and the app splash screen. Lastly, we need to check that all our page icons is correct. Oops, we added the App Manager feature, so we need to change its icon to follow our design theme. Yes! Our app is now ready, and we need to send it for publication by generating the APK file for Android and the binary source code for iOS. Easy, right? With AMB Toolkit you will save on development time and be able to publish your app to 3 different platforms, namely iOS, Android and Progressive Web App, or PWA, in one single app development. Therefore this will boost and enhance the opportunity to diversify your portfolio in mobile apps development. Maximize your income by getting more clients, instead just 1 per week. Increase customer turnaround and don't waste time learning new codes. Create apps in just 45 minutes and send to your client quicker for testing and approval with our no-code app builder. And this in turn will mean more sales without increasing the long hours of work. That will just be powerful and groundbreaking, right? Here is the list of valued items that the AMB Drop and Drag App Builder Easy Toolkit brings to the table. Unlimited access to AMB Mobile App Builder without coding, CMS platform. Unlimited access to AMB Academy for videos and manuals. Unlimited smooth action and bug ticket support. Bi-weekly webinar support to assists with any issues. Bonus number 1. 10 irresistible app developments, step by step, made easy. Bonus number 2. Quick tips on mobile apps creation. Bonus number 3. Design hacking for your mobile apps. Wow! Isn't that value? Pretty amazing, isn't it? Yes, it is. That is why this is so groundbreaking. Sign up for your AMB Drop and Drag App Builder Toolkit and get started today.